All right, I've owned this Polaris 3900 Sport now for 3 years and 2 months, and I'm gonna double back and talk about the bag again. This is the Polaris bag that comes like from the factory, the name brand. And this other one over here is a different brand, and it is, you can get like 2 or maybe 3 of these for the price of this. I used to say, I'm gonna go with the cheaper one. Now I have come full circle. If price really is an issue, then get this. I've been using this for maybe 9 months. I really should go back and check, but I think it's maybe not, definitely not a year. And the Velcro is no longer working. So this sat out all night so you could kind of see it, but it's catching leaves. It's just the Velcro has just given out. Also, this wraps around the hose and it connects with a third piece of Velcro that has also largely given out, really completely given out. This is a complete annoyance. It is, I mean, if price is your main concern, then get it. But if you want to really just enjoy the pool pump, I'm going back to the Polaris brand, and I'm all about being okay with buying an off-brand. So many times you can save money and it's a great deal. This is not one of those times. You really should just buy the Polaris one. So the quality's great. I used my last one for well over 2 years. I think it was about 2.5 years. You can probably find my old video out there. But what sets this apart is, yes, there's Velcro here that holds it together, but this Velcro held up. The last time I replaced it, it wasn't because the Velcro gave loose, it was because I got a big stick that ripped into the bag itself. But the beauty of this bag, and what makes this so much better, is instead of having another line of Velcro, it has this zipper. And very quickly, I started missing the functionality of the zipper. Now, when you get dirt and grime and stuff in there, all you gotta do is dip it into water and then unzip it underwater, and it comes in and out really easy. My friend at church also got the cheaper bag, and after about a month, he said, I made a mistake. He really did. He was like, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have got it, because again, it's not, his hasn't failed yet, but the big deal is these zippers are so much better than the other option. So anyway, this is the Polaris bag. Again, I'm not opposed to getting the knockoff brand, but in this case, if you can afford it, just get the real one. It's gonna last you a long time. And it's so much more enjoyable because it's so less hassle. All right, hope that helps.